Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will discuss to you guys on how to write a program that will ask the user to give the original price in discount percentage, and then our program will compute the discount amount in the final price using PERL programming language. We will call this program Product Discount Solver. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share. Please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. So we have here sharp shebang, use our PERL, use strict warnings. Title of our program, Product Discount Solver in PERL. In this line of code, we are asking the user to give original price that will be stored in our variable $original_price, jump $original price. And then in this line of code, we are also asking the user to give discount percentage that will be stored in our variable $discount_percentage. To compute the discount, we have here $discount_amount underscore percentage divided by 100 multiplied by the original price multiply, and then the final price na original_price dollar minus discount price amount, no? Discount_amount. So we have here the display to decimal places the discount amount with our variable $discount_amount in the final price 0.2f $final_price. As I said, no, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. Let us go with our online GDB to run the code. Okay, product discount solver in PERL, enter original price. Let's say we have 78.56, and then the discount will be 5%. So the discount is 3.93, the final price is 74.63. Let us run again for the second time. Let's say we have 123.90. Let's say the discount is 20%. So the discount amount is 24.98. The final price is 99.92. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on Product Discount Solver in PERL programming language. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.